Investment Nuggets, high return opportunities for beginners. So, you want to make your money work for you? Well, I've got some investment nuggets just for you. First up, index funds. These are like a basket of stocks that track the overall market. They're low cost and give you instant diversification. Perfect for beginners. Next, real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These allow you to invest in properties without actually buying them. You get a share of the rental income and property value appreciation. Talk about passive income. Now, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. With platforms like Lending Club, you can lend money to individuals and earn interest. It's like being your own bank. And how about dividend stocks? These are companies that share their profits with shareholders. You can earn regular income just by owning their stock. Cha-ching! Lastly, don't forget about cryptocurrency. It's a volatile market, but if you do your research and invest wisely, you could see some serious gains. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Start small, diversify, and be patient. And always do your due diligence before jumping in. So there you have it, some investment nuggets to get you started on your journey to financial freedom. Happy investing!